Everyone thinks the best-selling dual-basket air fryers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ninja DZ550 Foodie. The Ninja DZ550 Foodie 10-quart dual zone is a real standout. Priced at $197.48, it boasts features that really caught my eye, especially the Smart Cook thermometer. If you want to ensure perfectly cooked meals for your family without the guesswork, this is worth a serious look. This air fryer is designed for busy families who need efficiency. With 10 quarts of capacity, you can cook 2 meals at once thanks to its dual zone technology. The Smart Cook system stands out, allowing you to achieve your preferred doneness without any guesswork. It can cook 2 6-pound chickens up to 30% faster than a traditional oven, which is a huge time saver. The integrated Foodie Smart Thermometer is a game changer for ensuring meat is cooked just right. Plus, the 6-in-1 functionality means it can air fry, roast, dehydrate, and more, all in one appliance. Now, some people complained about the size and the fact that it takes up a good amount of counter space. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for a family or entertaining guests, that space is worth it for the time and hassle saved. This is perfect for you if you often prepare meals for multiple people at once. Skip this one if your kitchen is really tight on space, or if you don't need to cook for more than 2. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for families looking for a budget-friendly choice. Product number 2, Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer, priced at a wallet-friendly $79.97. The feature that caught my attention was its sync finish functionality, making it easy to have 2 dishes ready at the same time. If you need something affordable that still covers your family's needs, this is definitely worth considering. This air fryer is all about convenience. With 2 independent 3-quart baskets, you can fry, broil, or bake different foods simultaneously, making meal prep a breeze. The wide temperature range from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you the flexibility to cook everything from chicken to veggies perfectly. Plus, the large viewing windows let you keep an eye on your food without opening the baskets, which is a nice touch for monitoring doneness without losing heat. Now, some users noted that the baskets can be a bit small for larger families, especially when cooking for a crowd. But honestly, if you're looking for a compact and budget-friendly option that can still whip up quick meals, it still holds its own. This is perfect for you if you're tight on budget but want to explore air frying. Skip this one if you often cook for big gatherings or need larger capacities. With its price point, it's a solid value for families. Now, if the capacity of Chefman bothered you, the next option is a big upgrade in size and features. Product number 3, Ninja Foodie Air Fryer, priced at $229.99. What really stands out is its IQ Boost feature, which optimally distributes power across both baskets. If you want to maximize efficiency while preparing meals, this one's a serious contender. This air fryer operates with 2 independent baskets that allow for cooking 2 foods at once, no more waiting around or cooking in batches. The Smart Finish feature is fantastic, ensuring both dishes finish cooking at the same time. It's also got 10-quart capacity, making it perfect for family-sized meals. With 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, you can enjoy your favorite foods guilt-free. Plus, it comes with 6 cooking functions, like roasting and keeping warm, so it's super versatile. Some users did mention the higher price might be a turnoff for some, but if you're looking for something that saves you time and results in healthier meals, it really pays for itself in the long run. This is perfect for you if you prioritize efficiency in your cooking. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest a bit more for premium features. It offers fantastic value for those who want to cook smarter. Okay, that was impressive. But our next pick is all about maximizing health without sacrificing flavor. Product number 4, Ninja DZ401 Foodie. Another Ninja option, the DZ401 Foodie 10-quart, retailing at $179.99. The feature that really caught my eye is its cooking speed. It claims to be 30% faster than traditional ovens. If you're all about quick meals without the fuss, keep listening. The Ninja DZ401 features dual zone technology, letting you cook 2 foods in 2 ways simultaneously. This means you can have a main and a side ready in no time. The easy-to-clean, non-toxic design is a big plus for families who want to keep things healthy. Plus, it can handle up to 8 pounds of chicken wings, which is perfect for family gatherings or game days. However, some reviews mention the complexity of the controls could be a bit intimidating at first. But let's be honest, once you get the hang of it, that's a small price to pay for the convenience of quick cooking. This is perfect for you if you love hosting but want to keep meal prep simple. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward air fryer experience. It's a solid investment for busy families that want speed and efficiency. Now, if you're really interested in a budget-friendly yet effective option, you'll want to hear about our last pick. Product number 5, Chefman Turbo Fry Touch. We have the Chefman Turbo Fry Touch, priced at $99.99. What caught my attention is the shake reminder feature, which helps ensure even cooking. If you want to make healthier meals without the hassle of constant monitoring, this air fryer deserves your attention. This air fryer maximizes cooking with its 9-quart capacity, perfect for feeding the whole family. The 2 baskets mean you can cook different foods at once, and the sync finish feature ensures they're ready together. The shake reminder is a thoughtful addition, helping you get that perfect crispy finish every time, especially for those fries. It's easy to clean with Top Rock dishwasher safe baskets and a non-stick interior that makes cleanup a breeze. However, a few users pointed out that it might not be as powerful as other high-end models. But honestly, for the price, you get a great air fryer that does the job well without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly air fryer with solid features. Skip this one if you need something super high-powered for heavy-duty cooking. It's a fantastic value for families wanting healthier meals without the fuss. So there you have it. We covered the Ninja DZ550 for its impressive features, the Chefman for budget-conscious families, the Ninja Foodie for efficiency, the Ninja DZ401 for speed, and the Chefman Turbo Fry Touch for those looking for easy cleanup. Depending on your family's needs, there's a perfect air fryer for you out there.